Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort. In today's video I'll be giving you an update on Bitcoin. Guys, if you watched the video I posted earlier about Bitcoin when it was about $25,000 and I told you guys to buy, if you take that advantage you should be on profits now. Okay, I have made another $50 worth of profits, $50 or so worth of profit. So if you took that advantage and you bought Bitcoin when the market was deep, you should be on profits now. You can see the rising now. Bitcoin is saying, you can see here, plus as of now, Bitcoin rise plus $92. You can see, and $0.31. Bitcoin is pumping. So I made a video last time and I told you guys that if you have money you should invest on Bitcoin, and if you take the advantage, if you took the advantage, you should be on profits now. You should be on profits now. And if you didn't buy it, okay guys, it's not too late. I'm going to show you more coins that you should back. Okay, now that the crypto father is pumping, you know, the next thing now is other coins will join. Both the shit coins, any coin that is built under smart chain, under Bitcoin, it will be pumping now. So I'm going to introduce you guys, I'm going to show you guys more coins you should back these coins as much as possible. Guys, I made earlier, I told you guys that you should back Bitcoin, and now those people that buy Bitcoin should be on a profit. Now we can see that Bitcoin is really insane now. Bitcoin is pumping. So guys, before I introduce you, before I show you more about this token, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, please like this video, subscribe to my channel to get updated whenever I post a new video, and also join my Telegram group so you can ask questions if you have any challenge. So guys, I told you guys to take advantage of the opportunity, and now you can see that Bitcoin is $30,171.93, and this was the market that fell to $25,000. And I told you guys, if you have money, invest on Bitcoin. Congratulations for those who invested. You must have been on a profit now. Okay, if you invested on Bitcoin, then you should be on a profit now. And who knows if this market will keep pumping, because market is volatile, cryptocurrency is volatile. Like I told you, it is always good when the market is down, you invest. Okay, you wait when the market is down and you invest. If you happen to jump in now, you don't know whether the market will go back. So guys, I always tell you guys to buy, to invest money in crypto when the market is on bearish. Now Bitcoin is pumping, guys. Bitcoin is pumping, and all those who took advantage of it should be on profit now. Like I said, I've made extra $50 and it keep increasing. So guys, without wasting much time, I'm going to introduce you to two coins that you should back. You should back these two coins, okay? Because the coins those coins are not pumping now. They're not pumping now. But as Bitcoin keep growing, as Bitcoin keep pumping, all those coins are going to pump alongside with Bitcoin. So I'm going to introduce you to this coin, and if you have money, back as much as possible. Back as much as possible of these coins I'm going to show you. Okay? For you not to miss my video, please stay tuned till the end of this video so that you won't miss out on any of the videos. Okay? Guys, one of the coin is Dogecoin. Back as much Dogecoin as you can. Dogecoin is not even up to $1. This is 0.066 cents. Okay, it's not even up to $1. If you have money, guys, back Dogecoin as much as you can. Back Dogecoin as much as you can. If you have money, you can just buy up to $100 worth of Dogecoin and just wait and see. Dogecoin is not pumping now. Dogecoin is a potential coin. So if you have money, guys, back Dogecoin as much as you can. Back Dogecoin as much as you can. There are so many exchanges you can buy Dogecoin. You can buy Dogecoin on Rockwell Exchange if you're here in Nigeria. You can buy on Binance. You can even buy on Trust Wallet. Buy it on PancakeSwap. You just need to fund your Trust Wallet, go to PancakeSwap, and then swap it to Dogecoin. Okay, so guys, this is a very potential coin. You can see that Dogecoin, Elon Musk is a fan of Dogecoin. So guys, back as much Dogecoin as you can. Like I said, that crypto market is volatile. Please do well to carry out your own research. If you want to make money on crypto, you need to be patient. You have to be patient. Like those people I said that I told you guys to back Bitcoin when it was 25,000 and above. I told you guys to back Bitcoin, and so many people did not take the advantage. I took the advantage. I invested $50 to it, and my money is still growing now. Okay, my money is still growing now. For those of you who took the advantage of it, I'm still congratulating you. You should be on profits now. If you buy with a very huge amount of money, you should be on a profit now. So guys, cryptocurrency is patient. It's not just something you can rush in and you begin to expect explosive. It may happen to you. It may happen to you if you're lucky, because what works for me might not work for you. Okay, like I said, I made another $50. You might not make it. Okay, you might even make more than that. Depend the money you use in buying it, but depend the time you invested the money. If you invested the money now that Bitcoin is pumping, what happened? What if the market go reverse back and you see your money draining? So that is why I always, once the market is down, I always post videos on the coin to buy. And I told you guys to invest on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a very potential coin. Is the father of all crypto. Oh guys, this is another opportunity. Back Dogecoin as much as you can and patiently wait for it. As Bitcoin is pumping, all the shit coins are going to pump along with it. Okay, now the next coin I'm going to show you now, the next coin is Shiba Inu. Guys, Shiba Inu is another potential coin. I think I said earlier about Shiba Inu on my last video. I told you guys to buy Shiba Inu. Forget what people are saying. Like I said, cryptocurrency is volatile. You don't know what will happen today. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. Okay, the market is volatile. Back SHIB as much as you can. Back Shiba Inu as much as you can. It's not even up to $1. It is better. It is more profitable to buy a coin that is below $1. This is 0.0000782 cents. As you can see here on the market here, we have 0.0000782. I think it's not even up to $1 in Nigeria. It's a cent. So guys, back, if you can buy up to $100 worth of Shiba Inu and then patiently wait, once Shiba Inu skyrocket, you are going to be on a profit. So many people who succeed on crypto, they are not just people that just invest money and they expect a very huge something to happen. You have to give it time. Just invest and forget about it. Okay, go to a better exchange. If you are using Trust Wallet, make sure that your phrase is not compromised. Buy it there, give it a time, and then you will see yourself. You will see yourself on profits. Okay, don't just put money and expect something to just immediately to cash out immediately. Give it time and then patiently wait, and then you are going to make a huge profit. So guys, let's go back to Bitcoin again. Yeah, now this is the father of all crypto. Like I said, guys, if you took advantage of this, if you buy Bitcoin when I asked you to buy, you should be on a profit now. Bitcoin is insane. And last week Bitcoin was $25,000, and what we are having here is 30,117.93. Who knows whether Bitcoin will not hit $100? Bitcoin might hit $100 this year. Yeah, that is crypto for you and me. The market is volatile. You can't really predict what will happen. Okay, the market is volatile. All you got to do is for you to watch the market and wait. When the market is bearish, guys, invest on good coins. Invest on good coins. Bitcoin is a very great example because it fell to $25, and people who back it, if you buy with maybe people that put good money in on it, they're on profits now. So guys, without wasting much time, it is not too late. It is not too late. Go in now, back as much crypto. Those two coins I showed you, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, back it as much as you can now, and then give it time. Buy it in a very good wallet. Save your phrase very well and give it time. In no time, you are going to reap. You are going to make. You will be on profits. Don't just buy and expect cash out immediately, guys. Give it time, and you will be on a profit. Okay, so guys, for you to get updated on my channel, you have to subscribe. Please subscribe for YouTube algorithms to help me. Subscribe to support me, and share this video with your friends, and then give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. And if you took advantage of then when I posted a video about Bitcoin and you bought Bitcoin, if you're on profit, please go to the comment section and drop your question. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, my Telegram group there for updates, just click on the Telegram group there and you will see my Telegram. Click on the description box there, you see my Telegram group. Do well to join that group. You'll be getting updates from me, okay? And then turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a video like this. Turn on the bell button to get notified when I post a new video like this. I will come again with another interesting video. Don't forget, guys, it is good to learn, and once you learn, you take advantage, okay? You put it into action. If you happen to buy any of this coin, buy this coin and just wait and watch, okay? Give it time, okay? Give it time. Just invest. Know that you are investing your money on a good coin. As far as they are buying good coin, okay? Buy good coin and then just forget about it and just watch how it's going to explode. Now, like I told you guys to buy Bitcoin, and now people that bought it should be on a very big profit now, which I'm one of them, okay? So guys, I'm going to stop here today. We'll come back again with another interesting video. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you guys on my next video, and bye bye.